Hi kids, hello बच्चों. This is a heart. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a star. And this is a hexagon. Blue color. The heart is blue in color. Such a pretty blue color. Green color. The triangle is green in color. Triangle has 3 sides. Pink color. The square is pink in color. Square has 4 equal sides. Orange color. The circle is orange in color. Circle has no sides. Yellow color. The star is yellow in color. The star shines bright up in the sky. And red color. The hexagon is red in color. The hexagon has 6 sides. Let's revise. चलो फिर से करते हैं. Heart, blue color. Triangle, green color. Square, pink color. Circle, orange color. Star, yellow color. And hexagon, red color. Simple. चलो कल मिलते हैं. Bye bye.